Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 6 side hustles to earn $10,000 per month. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. 1. Start a dropshipping business. Last year, many worldwide trends experienced decades worth of acceleration. One such trend was the rise of e-commerce. There are a number of ways to run an e-commerce business, some of which allow for minimal need to carry and hold lots of inventory. Consider dropshipping, a business model where you don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when a customer buys something from your store, a third party fulfills and ships the order for you. Because startup costs are low, it's an increasingly popular way to make money online for beginners and pros alike. Dropshippers have a habit of chasing the latest trends, and while there's nothing wrong with catching a trending product wave, there are many steady product categories that offer similar opportunities to do well. 2. Create custom products. While the options above come bundled with the convenience of not holding on to expensive inventory, they also come with some limitations, mainly that you don't have full control over the product you're selling. And when you think of most direct-to-consumer brands, this is what comes to mind: original products that make meaningful improvements or add interesting details to well-known items. Personally, I purchased many messenger bags, but I'd never seen anything like the one made by Vermeille Appel until it reached my doorstep. Making products by hand is popular among jewelry brands, fashion brands, and home decor brands. It gives you full control over the product development and quality of your items. Sell on Amazon. Amazon has become a marketplace that welcomes e-commerce entrepreneurs. It takes a few minutes to sign up for an account and a few more minutes to get a product listing live. The platform has a massive audience. It's a global marketplace, and it's a go-to destination for product discovery and research. Listing optimization can help your products get found and unlock new opportunities. And Amazon's in-app promotions can increase your brand's visibility for highly targeted audiences. Yet some e-commerce entrepreneurs question the long-term sustainability of selling on Amazon. While a marketplace is great for helping shoppers surface desired products, it's challenging for sellers to get their business noticed. Amazon attracts many resellers of the same products you may offer. 4. Sell digital products. Digital products carry some of the best margins of any product you can sell. The upfront costs of development can be high, but the variable costs of selling digital products is comparatively low. Once media or software is made, it isn't very expensive to deliver to customers. At its core, a digital product is an intangible asset you can sell repeatedly without restocking inventory. They'd often come in downloadable files, such as a PDF, plugin, or interactive document. These products have become such a good source of passive income that many top professional influencers, bloggers, or public icons release digital products like guides, ebooks, templates, research findings, plans, and tutorials. 5. Affiliate marketing. So, how do you make money affiliate marketing? Essentially, publishers or individuals can apply for affiliate programs wherever they're available in order to be added as an official affiliate. Once you're accepted, you'll receive a way to share an affiliate link to the product or service you're interested in promoting. Don't forget to add a disclaimer. When someone buys the product after clicking your link, you'll receive credit for the referral, along with a commission. The commission amount depends on the affiliate program and the product being sold. Commodity items on Amazon.com won't pay out much, but referring a high-ticket account may pay out hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Because affiliate marketing works best when you help a visitor understand why a certain product may be the right one for them. You'll typically notice it deploy on content-focused websites. Search engine optimization also plays an important role here, and you'll see everyone from homegrown sites to massive, globally known publications competing for terms like Best Gaming Laptops 2022. 6. Create online courses and workshops. There's a reason online courses have a pretty broad appeal. Once a course is created, it accrues all of the benefits of any digital product. The cost to deliver the product to more customers is essentially zero, with the exception of hosting. Compare that to the need to maintain inventory that all physical product businesses face, and you'll find yourself dealing with fewer product-related headaches as you scale. The appetite for digital courses and continuing education is there too. That's why sites like Udemy and Skillshare thrive. Your biggest hurdle is actually the web itself, where there are thousands of wonderful resources available for free. And content on every topic is getting better by the day. Thank you.